I feel proud. She's absolutely fab. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed.
आज दीपिका ने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला है कि अगर राजनीति की समझ में ना हो तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए। आपको लगता है उनका इशारा आपकी तरफ था?
I think we need another round of applause for Katrina. बैठने से पहले यार little bit, little, but बैठने के बाद I was like, wow.
ना बॉडीगार्ड में आप जेम्स बॉन्ड के लुक में आने वाली हैं, कुछ प्रमोशनल सॉन्ग में
James Bond
ऐसा सुनने में आया।
in a suit. No. I'm not going to be James Bond.
I really want Zoya to get inspired by my idea of making a sequel.
It's fun. I really like riding bikes, and it's something I want to do. Anyways, more often, ride to shoot on a bike.
First of all, I think we should all give a huge round of applause for Katrina. Not many men can do what she did on the bike. It was incredible. आप लोग सब इतने excited थे, इतने bikes थे, इतनी cars थी. उन सब के बीच में से she's negotiated the traffic and gone. It's unbelievable. I think once more.
It's fun. I really like riding bikes, and it's something I want to do. Anyways, more often, ride to shoot on a bike. But I still am waiting for one to be gifted to me. No one's gifted me a bike yet, so.
I feel proud. Because I don't know many guys who can ride the bike like this. She's absolutely fab. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed.
ऋतिक, बैठने से पहले और बैठने के बाद आपने क्या क्या मंत्र पढ़े थे?
बैठने से पहले, to be honest, well, as I said, I don't know many girls who can ride a bike, especially double seat. So बैठने से पहले यार little bit, little, but बैठने के बाद I was like, wow.
It was a rickety bike on the sets, and at least today you are happy that it was a new one.
Yeah, both of them were nice. Actually, I don't mind taking either one of them home. I could take either one of them and just go home now. I'm fine.
Whose idea for like bike riding?
No, it was
It
her.
started from the film, of course. I think when I've got my training for the film, so it's kind of got better practice on it.
Beat Harry Potter at the box office in India. So why are you doing the promotion event now? Is Singham the next? In your
This is
list?
indirectly, I guess it's for the film. But it's more to, I think she really had to prove it to all of the
Actually,
boys in the
we
film.
were supposed to do it on the road trip. Remember, we kept on trying to do it on the road trip, and it just kept on getting pushed. So
She never got the chance to prove it to us. So now it's proven to the entire world, including me and Farhan and Abhay, that she really can do it.
ना बॉडीगार्ड में आप जेम्स बॉन्ड के लुक में आने वाली हैं, कुछ प्रमोशनल सॉन्ग में
James Bond
ऐसा सुनने में आया।
in a suit. No. I'm not going to be James Bond. It's what do you call it? It's a guest appearance. It's a small guest appearance in the song, but I think you just wait and see the song to see what is the look.
I'm very happy, really excited. I mean, what can I say? It's been such a wonderful journey to make this film with friends and to bond with all of us together in this road trip, and then we finally really had a real life road trip. while doing the campaign for the film, and now the film is a success. So we're all really happy, basically.
कैटरीना, आज दीपिका ने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला है कि अगर राजनीति की समझ में ना हो तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए। आपको लगता है उनका इशारा आपकी तरफ था?
I think we need another round of applause for Katrina. I really want Zoya to get inspired by my idea of making a sequel, but like 5 years from now, little older, you know, some other problems to solve, another journey to take, another, you know, things to be resolved, find each other again. Yeah, so let's see, you never know. Big wishes for Sachin, yeah, from all the entire country, from us. Yes, congrats.
All the best, and we hope you rock. And
Katrina, thank you everyone.